Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can pay on Shein. So in order to pay on Shein, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, you'll have to go ahead and log in into your Shein account. Once you're logged into your Shein account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now if you tap on the me icon located in the bottom right hand side corner and then go to wallets from the top, then here as well you can go ahead and add a wallet. That is, you can either add a payment method such as your debit card, bank account, credit card, whatsoever, and apart from it you can also directly check out while you're purchasing an item. If you go to the card icon and then select the product that you actually wish to check out, then tap on the checkout button and provide in your shipping address, and next page you need to go ahead and enter in your payment method. So you can either do cash on delivery or you can either add a credit card whatsoever, and that's basically how you can pay on Shein. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.